Let's unbox my first delivery that I got from simplymedical.com. I've heard about Simply Medical before. I know they have a large assortment of home healthcare supplies, so I figured I could get some new stuff for my apartment. I was really surprised with how quick the delivery was. I ordered and I had my package 2 days later. Simply Medical had just about everything I needed, and the website was really easy to use. It was actually really convenient for me since I don't live by a corner store, so this was a great place for me to pick up some supplies. Alright, here's what I got. Some Stay Dry wipes, these are really good for travel. The Comfort Touch Kleenex for when I have a runny nose. Some fish oil supplements. And I finally found the True Color bandages. I've been hearing about these for a while. Some AAA batteries for my external mouse. More face masks for when I leave the house. And some wound cleanser spray so I can put this in my first aid cabinet. Everything came compact in one box along with the receipt, and I'll be ordering from Simply Medical again. It was really convenient, and they even have a subscription package just in case I want my deliveries automatic.